Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the spoonlemon bathroom sink, a sleek 21.7 by 13.8 inch stainless steel vessel sink with a beautiful gold elliptical design. Crafted from durable sus 304 stainless steel with a corrosion-resistant PVD coating, this sink promises long-lasting shine and strength. Its wide basin helps prevent water splashes, keeping your bathroom clean and dry. Featuring a convenient pop-up drain stopper, it offers easy drainage and simple maintenance. The smooth, non-porous surface resists dirt and condensation, making cleaning quick and stress-free. Plus, it comes with an easy installation guide, perfect for any modern or minimalist bathroom space. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.